So how to check your credit score on Lloyds? So to check your credit score on the Lloyds app, you'll just want to slide over at the tabs at the top and then click on the Borrow one. Then once you've clicked on Borrow, you'll see the credit score section here. And to view your credit score, you just want to go ahead and select See Your Score. And then once you've done that, it'll pull you through to this page here. And you may just need to answer a few questions before you can see your credit score. So it'll tell you here, thank you for registering your credit score. So you just need to pick one of the options. So for the example of this video, we're going to say I want to improve my credit score. But you can go ahead and select whichever one you want. And then from there, click Next. And then one last question, which will ask, are you looking to improve your credit score for any reason? So for the example of this video, I'm just going to say no particular reason. So go ahead and submit that. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, and you should be able to view your credit score from here. And it is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.